Hi guys, so we're going to be learning about chocolates and more about flats and longs and how to associate those with real world stuff like chocolates. So let's first go to the two most important things that we need to know to answer 1, 2, and 3. So chocolates are packed 10 in a box. So I made a box with 10 chocolates in it. Now a carton of chocolates has 10 boxes. Excuse me. So I made a carton with 10 boxes. Now, if you were to count those, sometimes it doesn't work because of lighting, but if you were to count those, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 chocolates in that one carton. So that's really important, is we need to know that there's 100 chocolates in that one carton. So, first question. Jerry has one carton and 4 boxes. So we know one carton is 100 and 4 boxes is 40. So, how many chocolates does Jerry have? I put it in a few longs and flats so it'll be easier to see. So here is one carton, is a flat, and then each long represents a box. So 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. So Jerry has 140 chocolates. Now Lee needs to pack 370 chocolates. How many boxes does Lee need? Well, I made you 370 chocolates right here. So we need to know how many boxes he needs. No flats involved, just boxes. So we can count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 boxes total. So as you look here, there's 37 boxes total. So I also wrote that here so we can keep track of Lee's boxes. So he has 37 boxes. Now they want us to know if Lee puts the boxes in cartons, how many cartons can be completely filled? How many can he completely fill? Sorry. So we know that for each 10, that can go in a flat, right? So if we go back here, we can remove 10 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can, so then that would go over and make one of these. Now we can remove another set of 10 right here, which would go over and make another flat. And then we can remove the last set of 10 that are right here and put one more flat down. Oh gosh, that's not the flat. One more flat. So now we have 300, but we need 370. So what we need to do is there's 300 right here, but we need 70. So we just need 7 of these. 1, 2, it's not showing up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's asking us if Lee puts the boxes in cartons, how many cartons can he completely fill? So we look here, how many cartons are filled? 1, 2, 3 are completely filled because there's not 10 boxes here to make another carton. There's only 7. So he can only completely fill 3 total cartons. So I will put 3 on my answer. I love to write things down on my tablet and on paper to help more see what I'm doing visually on the computer too. So now the last one. Miss Rollo needs 10 chocolates for each of her 26 friends. So each friend is going to get 10 chocolates. If she could only buy boxes, how many boxes does she need? Well, if she can only buy boxes, we know each box has 10 in them, and that's a perfect amount for each kid. So we're going to count for 26. We need 26 boxes total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I put 10 in this row, so that's 20. And then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So if she only can buy boxes, how many boxes does she need? She needs exactly 26 boxes because each box has 10, so that works out perfectly. Now, she finds out that it's cheaper to buy chocolates in cartons. How many cartons should she buy? And how many additional boxes does she need? So we know that for every 10 of these, we can bring in a carton. So this will represent this 10. And this one will represent the next 10. So it's cheaper for her to buy a carton of 100 than to buy 27 boxes. So she has 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So how many additional boxes will she need? So how many cartons did we count here? 1, 2 cartons. So she has 2 cartons. And how many boxes extra? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes extra. So that answers everything that we have for this one. Thank you.